Good morning. We continue with business ownership, still chapter 4. Yesterday we talked about the nature of business ownership. Today we want to talk about the types of business ownership. We have sole trader, we have partnership, we have cooperative society, we have private limited company, we have public limited company, we have joint venture. These are different types of business ownership we have. But today the focus is on sole trader and partnership. So today's focus will be sole trader and partnership. So we're going to start with the sole trader. Who is a sole trader? A sole trader is an individual who owns and controls his or her own business. So if I set up a business, probably in front of my house or within the premises of my house or wherever it is, I am in charge of it, I make decisions about it, I control everything regarding the business, I am a sole trader. So a sole trader is an individual who owns and controls a business. Do we understand the sole trader here?
Yes.
Good. Yeah. So I wrote here, this is a form of business owned and controlled by an individual. Owned, controlled by an individual. That's why it's a sole trader.
Oh, Mr.
Alright.
Good morning.
Yeah.
How are you, Mr.?
I'm good.
Thank you.
Bye. Do you get what a sole trader is here now, please? A business that is owned and controlled by an individual. Do we understand that?
Yes.
Good. Then what are the features? How do we know it's a sole trader? The first feature is about taxation. It's a business, yes. Profit that is made in such business, normally, when profit is made, we have to pay corporation tax. Corporation tax. But for a sole trader or partnership, no, let's just forget about partnership. Let's focus on sole trader. As a sole trader, you don't pay corporation tax. You pay income tax. So income tax is the tax I pay, any individual pays because it works. So the tax I pay on my salary is what? Income tax. Same goes to a sole trader. So a sole trader will pay the same tax as me. Do we get a sole trader here now? So one of the features of a sole trader is that a sole trader would not pay corporation tax. It will pay what? Income tax. And income tax, it's tax any individual that works would pay. So a sole trader and an employee will pay the same tax. Do we understand the first feature here? Do we understand or not? Please, if you don't understand, do not hesitate to ask. Because this is the only time you can ask me. After here, in the exam, no, you can't. The second feature, regulatory requirements. When we talk about regulatory requirements, we're talking about what is mandated by the sole trader to do in terms of his accounting. So a sole trader does not need to publish his account to the public because it's his own business. It decides whatever happens with the business. The public does not need to know. Just like the supermarket in your house or in your street, it does not. The owner of the supermarket does not need to publish the account or show the account to the government. So it has minimal requirement. There's no paperwork. There's no what? Paperwork. There's no need for paperwork. You don't have to register with the government. Do we understand that?
Yes.
The third one, dissolution. Decision of the owner or if they pass away. Dissolution means to stop the business. So when you are terminating the business will be terminated based on the decision of the owner of the business. So if the owner of the supermarket in your street, if he chooses to close the shop, he closes it. Nobody's going to question him or her. That is his own decision. And if the owner of the supermarket in your street passes away, the business is over. That is the solution. Do you understand the solution here? So a partnership business ends if the owner chooses to end it or the owner passes away. Is it clear? Is it clear, guys? Is it clear? The last one is continuity of existence. What does continuity of existence mean? It simply means a change of ownership. So I'm the sole trader, it is my business, but I choose to change the business. I want to give the business to someone else. As soon as I'm giving the business to someone else, it's no more my business. The next person I'm giving it to start owning the business. So my business ends as soon as I change the ownership. Do you get my point or not? There's continuity of existence, which simply means if there's a change in ownership, will the business continue to be in existence or not? As a sole trader, as soon as you change or you swap or you switch to someone else, the person bears the name, not you anymore. So there's no continuity of existence. Do you understand continuity of existence here? The business is owned by Mr. A. If Mr. A is selling the business to Mr. B, the business is now Mr. B's business. Mr. A is never in existence again. It ends Mr. A. Do we get it?
Yes.
So for continuity of existence, in the sole trader business, there is no continuity of existence. So as soon as the owners change names, the business changes. As soon as the ownerships change, the business changes. Do we get that? Any question about that? So these are the features of a sole trader. So the next one is the advantages. What are the benefits of having a business owned and controlled by you? Number one, it is easy and inexpensive to set up. Because it's a sole trader, you can set it up in front of your house. It's your business. You can just decide, you can wake up today and start the business. You don't need to see the government, you don't have to register with the register of companies. You can just start it immediately. So it is easy to set up and it is inexpensive because you can start up with small amount of money. Do you understand the first advantage here? Do you understand the first advantage or not? The second one, owners retain all profits. Because it's your business, you started with your money, all the profits belong to you. So you keep all the profits alone. Do we understand that? Yes. The third one, full control over business decision. It's your business. So whatever decision you make is a final decision. Nobody's in charge. You are in charge. Do we get that? Any question about the advantages? Then what are the disadvantages of setbacks? Setbacks. Drawbacks. They are all the same. So what are the disadvantages of having a sole business? Number one, lack of expertise across all business areas. No one is a cosmopolitan. So which simply means we don't know it all. So which simply means as a sole trader, there are some things you would lack. You might have you won't have all skills needed to run a business. So which simply means some of the skills needed to run the business successfully, you won't have it. Because you are doing it all alone. Yeah, maybe I do business, I do economics, I do accounting, I do some math. Maybe I can do physics, maybe I cannot do chemistry. I might not be able to do bio. So nobody is a cosmopolitan. So as a sole trader, you will still be lacking some things that would allow your business to be successful. Do we understand the point here?
Yes.
So that is the first problem. The second one, personal liability for debts. Whatever happens to the business, in case of debts, the owner of the business pays it all. So you cannot separate the business from the owner. Do you get it? So whatever the business is owing, if the business is owing a creditor certain amount of money, you might as well sell your car to pay the debtor, the creditor. So whatever happens to whatever debt the business has, it is transferred to your personal wealth. That's the problem. You cannot separate your business from the owner. The business is not doing well, but you are doing well in your own life. But the business is not doing well. So the business will affect you. That is the point there. Do we get it? Do we get it or not? And the last one, full responsibility can lead to stress. When you have to do everything all alone, you get tired. And when you're tired, you become less productive. Less productive. Do we get it? Do we understand this?
Yes.
Any question about a sole trader? Sole trader is clear, right?